Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdek. I am Chumthanawala, and today I will discuss in this lecture series of the drugs which I have used in pandemics. I have already spoken about Zilcimium, Hiparcel, Rustox, Bryonia. This is a very important remedy which I have been using and getting good results in this pandemic. The remedy is Kalicarb. Now Kalicarb, you must have read a lot of symptoms about Kalicarb. You must have seen Kalicarb patients. I'll discuss only those symptoms which I have seen in this pandemic, and I have been able to successfully prescribe Kalicarb with these symptoms. Mind you, these are only symptoms for this pandemic which I have seen, not the whole drug picture or the whole cough symptoms of Kalicarb. And the first symptom that comes to my mind of Kalicarb that you should remember, the choking cough. If you remember this about Kalicarb, you will never fail in this pandemic in prescribing Kalicarb. That is choking cough while lying. द पेशेंट आके बोलेंगे आपको डॉक्टर साहब जब मैं लेटते लेटते खास तो गला पूरा चोक हो जाए, सांस नहीं लेता मैं, choking cough while lying. A very very important remedy that you have to think about is Kalicarb. Choking cough on lying down, Kalicarb. With Kalicarb, one remedy is very close to Kalicarb. This symptom is Lycopas. In Kalicarb, I have seen patients having cough before breakfast. They'll say when I get up in the morning after I brush my teeth, the cough starts, खांसी शुरू होती है, and till the breakfast it is there, then it gradually subsides. That is also a very important symptom of Kalicarb, that is cough breakfast before. With Kalicarb, you have to think about Murex, sulfur and Seneca, very very important remedies. Of course, in sulfur, symptoms are certain different. In Seneca, you have the rattling in chest and all. That's a different thing. But in Seneca, in Kalicarb, I have to look at important symptom, cough while lying down, choking cough, and second is cough before breakfast. Of course, there are a lot of modalities of Kalicarb, that early morning aggravation, 2 to 4 aggravation, which I am not discussing. Only I'll discuss some symptoms, very important symptoms of Kalicarb in this pandemic. Third symptom that Kalicarb is that in Kalicarb you have basically a cough because of elongated uvula. The uvula feels very elongated and the cough starts. So whenever you have this symptom, cough because of elongated uvula, of course you have to remember very very important remedies like Bryonia, Hyoscyamus, Natramur, Bratacarb. But Kalicarb also is a very very important remedy for cough because of elongated uvula. And my dear friends, always remember, in Kalicarb, there is exhaustive cough. The cough is very exhaustive and it is especially in the evening. So evening exhaustive cough, you have to remember Kalicarb, Cilicia. Two remedies I have used very frequently in my practice with exhausting cough, especially in the evening, that is Kalicarb and Cilicia. Again, in Kalicarb, the patient will come and doctor साहब सवेरे से मैंने खाना नहीं खाया इसलिए मुझे खांसी आ रही है. मतलब till morning, from morning I have not eaten food, and by afternoon I start getting cough. This is a very very important symptom of Kalicarb, my dear friends. I have seen this in my practice in this pandemic, that is cough on fasting. Remember Kalicarb, remember Magcarb, remember Magmur also, and one more remedy, that is Staphylococcus. These have cough because of fasting, and so important in this month of Ramzan also. If the patient has classical cough because of fasting, think about these four remedies: the magnesium, Magcarb, Magmur, Staphylococcus and Kalicarb. So do think about this remedy. In Kalicarb, the patient will classically come and tell you that is foreign body. उसको गले में कुछ तो भी अटका हुआ है, कुछ तो भी है गले में जिसकी वजह से खांसी आ रही है मुझे. He feels there is a foreign body in the trachea which causes the cough. Of course, Kalicarb is important. One more remedy, my dear friends, very much important, like Kalicarb, or I can say one grade ahead of Kalicarb, that is Sanguinaria canadense. Sanguinaria, and it is Sanguinaria, Kalicarb and Hyoscyamus. Whenever the patient tells you that there is a sensation of foreign body in the trachea which causes cough, then you have to think about Kalicarb. And as I told you, cough from hunger. My dear friends, very very important. जब भी भूखे पेट के वजह से पेशेंट को खांसी आती है, my dear friends, cough from hunger, think about Kalicarb, think about magnesium carb, and think about Magmur also. These three remedies are very very important. And no aggravation. When we see in this pandemic the patient is weak, we say eat healthy food, drink milk, and immediately the patient comes and tells doctor साहब, whenever I drink milk, whenever जब मैं दूध पीता हूँ मेरी खांसी बढ़ जाती है. So my dear friends, you have got a fantastic modality now. aggravation from milk. Think about Kalicarb, think about Antium tart, think about Spongia, and think about Zincum metallicum, where these remedies have a classical aggravation from milk. My dear friends, very very important symptom: the choking part, the foreign body sensation, the milk part, the hunger part, the fasting part of cough. Kalicarb is very very important because this symptom will guide you to the remedy. Next, as you go further, I tell you choking. Now, if there is choking, there has to be suffocative cough. So this suffocative cough in Kalicarb basically will come, I told you, in the morning. The patient gets up with a lot of suffocative cough. I told you, cough before breakfast. So in the morning, suffocative cough. Remember Kalicarb and remember a very important remedy with Kalicarb, that is Coccus cacti. Yes, my dear friends. Coccus cacti also is a very important remedy when there is suffocative cough, especially in the morning. And as you go further, of course, there are a lot of symptoms of whooping cough and Kalicarb and pain in the chest. But I'm telling you, those symptoms which I've seen in practice. After cough, the expectoration. Now, this expectoration of Kalicarb is also very important. Remember, dear doctors, in Kalicarb, the color expectoration is yellow. In fact, वो पेशेंट आके बोलता है कि डॉक्टर साहब जैसे नींबू रहता है, नींबू दिखने में पीला, उस प्रकार का खांसी निकलती है मेरे को. So lemon colored expectoration, that is Kalicarb, Pulsatilla, Phosphorus, and Lycopodium. 4 remedies you have to remember. And I'll go one step further ahead. Some patients have come and told me that expectoration sometimes like an orange. वो बोलते डॉक्टर साहब आपने ऑरेंज देखा है, ऑरेंज संतरा, उस प्रकार का कफ निकलता है. And that is a classical expectoration of Kalicarb. The color is orange colored. So Kalicarb, of course, you can think about phosphorus also and pulsatilla also. But orange, it's a fantastic expectoration of Kalicarb. If you get it, my dear friends, most of the time you will get fantastic results. Now in Kalicarb, one type of expectoration we see that the patient said, जब मैं खांसता हूँ ना, पूरा थूक निकल जाता है. When I cough, the expectoration comes out. He'll say it flies out from the mouth. That is also Kalicarb. When the expectoration flies out from the mouth, it is so easy expectoration. And if this is the symptom, my dear friends, I would say I would grade 2 remedies higher than Kalicarb, and that is Badiaga. Badiaga is a very important remedy with expectoration flies off from the mouth. So it's Badiaga, and one more remedy, Chilodonium. But Kalicarb also has this symptom that expectoration flies from the mouth. So we have seen cough, we have expectoration. Now it's time to see the taste. This is also sometimes the patient is upset. ऐसा लगता है कि पस के समान पूरा टेस्ट मेरा मुका हो गया खांसते खांसते. पस के समान, putrid. So taste is putrid, cheese like. Kalicarb, important. Phosphorus also, Zincum metallicum and Thuja also. Very very important remedy close to Kalicarb, putrid type. And sometimes the patient will tell you the expectoration tastes like the yolk of an egg. The yolk of an egg. और ये पेशेंट बोलेगा अंडे का योग उसके सामने मेरा पूरा टेस्ट हो जाता है खांसते खांसते. You have to think about Kalicarb, think about phosphorus or phosphoric acid also, Thuja also. So you see, Kalicarb has very close connection with phosphorus, like Silicea. Very very close symptoms of Kalicarb. So you have to think about these remedies when you are basically seeing a Kalicarb patient. So my dear friends, I have told you some symptoms of Kalicarb. Very very useful in this pandemic. I have got fantastic results. You also try and see, do you get results by seeing these symptoms in the patient. Do write on the comment box if you see this patient, so that we together can fight this COVID virus, this pandemic. My dear friends, if you like this video, do share and like. Thank you.